Hey David, my name is Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro. I'm the founder of the company, and in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 pieces of advice that you can implement today so that you can start outranking your competitors and get to the top of Google. So when we type in restoration companies in Denver, here's what shows up. You've got your Google Ads section up here. You've got your Google Map Pack section right here. And then you've got the organic searches right here. So I'm going to talk to you about how you can get into this section right here, as well as get onto the first page and top 3 here in the organic searches. So I'm going to show you what your top competitor is doing, which when we type that in, restoration companies in Denver or near Denver, we're not going to use Yelp, we're not going to use Enterprise because those are directories, but here is your top organic search. So if we click on that, it brings us to here. So I'm going to show you what these guys are doing to allow them to get to that top spot and how you can outbeat them, or how you can outrank them to beat them. Okay, so you're probably wondering why the heck I'm making this video in the first place. I realized a while ago that there are a lot of small business owners that are just so busy running their business and taking care of their customers. They don't have time to learn how to do this and to make the internet basically bring them more customers. I've owned small businesses in the past, and that was always my struggle, is really utilizing as many tools as possible to get that done. So I built and created this company to help other people do the same thing. And you can run with this information and get it done yourself and do your best to do that. Some people take this information and go ahead and do that. And some people call me and say, you know what, Brandon, I like you. I don't have the time or the tools to do this. Can you do it for me? Whatever you decide to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal is that you learn from this video and to help you make a lot of money. Okay, so let's start. I want to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So here's your front page. And I'm not sure if something's just not loading properly or if it's down or something's happening with it, but it doesn't have hardly any information on it. I like the design of it. I like these, how these pop in and out. I like the photos, a little blurry. This looks good, but it looks like something's just not quite right with it. So that's the first thing, is just get to the design to where it needs to be. Number 2 is content. So we need to get as much content on this front page as possible. So the average website on Google has 1,500 keywords on the front page. Content is king when it comes to Google. So that would be a good starting point for you, is to get to 1,500 words on your front page. But what is in the content matters even more than the number of words. So you want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your entire website. So these are keywords that people are commonly typing into Google when they're searching for the product or service that you can provide them, such as air conditioning repair in Denver. That's very specific. Somebody needs to have their air conditioner repaired in Denver, right? So for you, it could be water damage repair Denver, Denver water damage repair companies, and the list goes on and on and on. Okay, so let me show you an example of that. So here is your website. Don't get confused with too much of this. I'll talk to you about this, but it's showing that you currently have 0 keywords, buyer intent keywords on your website. So that's a big reason why you're being outranked. So if we look at your top competitor, which is this company right here, Colorado Cleanup Services, I put them into Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that we use to give us this data. So if you look at their keywords, they have 444 buyer intent keywords that's generating this much traffic per month to their site. So as you can see, just simply changing up your content and keywords can help so much with getting eyeballs on your website, which turn into eventual clicks and calls and clients that you close. So what you need to do is, here are the keywords that are on your top competitor's website. So see, for example, restoration Denver, Denver restoration, 200 search volumes per month, 150 search volumes per month. Restoration companies in Denver, Denver mold remediation, right? So these are very buyer intent specific. Mold removal, Denver. These are getting searches per month. So what I would do is just copy all of the, excuse me, all of the keywords that they have that are buyer intent. See, disaster cleanup company in Denver. Copy all these keywords and then add even more. That's the first thing. Number two that I want to talk to you guys about are backlinks. So what the heck is a backlink? A backlink is when another website links to yours and drives traffic to your website. So Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant sites linking to your website. So not all backlinks are created equal. You'll get a lot more power having other home services or HVAC companies linking to you than you would like a restaurant, for example. Google knows that you're not in the food industry. So same thing, we can go take a look at how many backlinks that you have. You currently have 54 backlinks coming from 5 websites, and it's not really doing a lot for you. This company has, your top competitor has 1,800 backlinks from 129 different websites, and it's helping generate this much traffic per month. Okay, so same thing. How do you beat that? Well, it's easy. They did the hard work for you. All you got to do is just go into all of these websites that they have linked themselves in. So you can click one, you can create an account. So this is enterprise, get listed, list yourself in this website and link your website to this website. That is a backlink. So that's what you do. You just go through each of these one by one, get it done, and outrank them with backlinks. So if they have 1,800, I would put in 2,200 so that you're not only matching them but also beating them. Okay, so that's the second thing. Excuse me. The third thing you can do is to get yourself in this map pack. What you need to do is figure out how many citations Colorado Cleanup Services has. A citation is when your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. So a directory would be like Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, Angie's List, Home Advisor. Figure out how many directories they're listed in. And if they're listed in 150 of them, you need to cite yourself in 200 to 250 of them so that you outrank them there. That'll get you to the top of this map pack. And then the keywords, content, and backlinks will get you to the top of Google here. If you can outrank these guys, beat these guys, you'll be listed higher in all categories. And I promise you there's a lot more money to be made that way when people are actually viewing your site. Currently, your website is pretty much just acting as a business card, a digital business card, and it's not really driving in revenue. Okay, so if you can implement those 3 tips, you can get more business from that. So either way, go ahead and give me a call if you have any questions and you'd like to learn more about how I can help you guys. Or you can take this information and get it done yourself. Whatever you decide to do is okay with me. I just hope that you've got something out of this, okay? I look forward to hearing your feedback, and have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.